Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about Human Risk Skincare review of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's start with the video friends. So this is the official homepage of the website, and this particular skincare product has been launched by famous American singer, rapper, songwriter Pharrell Lancillo Williams. The human skincare product has got three-step routine. First is the rice powder cleanser, second product is the lotus enzyme exfoliator, and the third product is the humidifying cream. Now let's read the info available on this website homepage. So human race skincare is a collection of all gender skincare products created with the belief that now more than ever nothing is more important to humanity than our unified health and well-being. Now let's check the payment method. For that we need to add a product into the cart. So let's check out the cart. So after checking out, the payment method is available, which is ShopPay, GPay, PayPal and Amazon Pay. These are the payment method available. Now let's check the shipping policies and return policies available. So for international item, it says DSL parcel, international direct 4 to 10 business days it will take, and for within the country shipment will take order placed before 12 p.m. EST Monday to Friday will be processed same day. All other orders after 12 p.m. EST will be processed the following business days. So this is the shipping policy available. Now before going further, we request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make many more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So talking about the particular website is using a valid and a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign here. Now talking about the domain name registration, this website has been registered on 13 Feb 1997 and is registered till 2026. So friends, this website is very old and has been registered for a long term, so it's a positive remark here. Now let's check its about us info. So at the top we will find the about us info, and at the down we will also get the about human race info. So here are the offerings of this particular website. Now let's go to the contact us section. For that we need to go to the contact section. So in the contact us section only an email address is available, which is help@humanrace.com. No other info is available such as physical address or any contact number, which is a lacking point here friends. Now talking about the social media presence, this website has a quite good social media presence. An account has been found in Facebook and Instagram with more than 2k followers. Now let's check the reviews of this particular product or website. So no new reviews has been found on this particular website. Few reviews has been found on Reddit on its product. One of the customers says, my thoughts are it's good that they are not using chemicals deemed unsafe in the EU and that they are vegan plus fragrance free. But at this same time, the price point, I wouldn't purchase it since I am a student and there's lots of products that are cheaper. Another customer says, I just received mine this morning. I was worried that the containers would be tiny and not enough product for that what I paid, but they are pretty generous. Another customer says, as for the packaging, I love how it's reusable and you can order refill units. All is one. I would suggest it's worth the money I paid, but time will tell in terms of how effective it is. Now let's check the return and refund policy friends. We'll get that in shipping and return section. So the return policy says that we can only accept returns within 30 days of you receiving your order and will get gladly offer a full refund to the original form of payment. And refund policy says, please allow approximately 3 weeks for us to process your return. Once processed, it will take up to 10 business days for the refunds to appear on your bank statement. So this is the return and refund policy, friends. Now talking about the quality and content of this website is poor, with 86% plagiarized and duplicate images has been used, which counts as a negative remark with no spelling errors and grammatical mistakes. On the basis of the positive customer reviews on the product from Reddit, the website seems to be genuine. Still, I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on such website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought and on this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting, guys. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.